Now, those are different. They're called a manatee. They're kind of a big, real gentle fish. See how big they are? See how big? They're big.
I just zoomed in and I couldn't get the zoom.
Hi, big fish.
Can you say manatee?
They're kind of a real slow fish. They don't move real fast. They just like
They like lettuce.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Manatee Rescue. My name is Catherine. I'm with the education team for Zoological Operations. If you have any questions about the rescued manatees in this habitat or any of the other animals that you'll see during your visit to the park today, please don't hesitate to ask once I'm off the microphone, and I'll be happy to try to answer those questions for you. To view the manatees from underwater, simply continue down the entrance ramp. Remember, first, all strollers must be parked in stroller parking to the far left-hand side of the observation rail. In our manatee habitat, we currently have 7 female manatees, 4 adults, a mother and calf, and an approximately 3-year-old orphaned calf. These manatees are all part of SeaWorld's rescue, rehabilitation, and release program. They've all been brought here due to an injury, an illness, or some other reason that makes it in their best interest for them to be cared for in a controlled environment. It's always our goal to try to release these animals back out into the natural environment whenever possible. Manatees are a highly endangered species, and they have become endangered solely due to man-made problems. Manatees have no natural predators, so the decline in their numbers is strictly due to man's encroachment upon and destruction of their habitat. The good news is there are things that we can all do to help the conservation, not just of manatees, but of all our planet's wildlife. One of the biggest reasons why SeaWorld rescues animals, not just manatees, is probably due to pollution. For instance, animals becoming entangled in things like fishing lines, nets, and discarded trash. A couple of the manatees you'll see in this habitat have lost a portion or more of one of their pectoral flippers due to entanglement. Another common problem we see is ingestion of foreign objects, so the animals have eaten something that they shouldn't have eaten. Now this is especially problematic for manatees. Manatees are very curious animals by nature, and they're kind of like 2-year-olds, and then everything goes in the mouth. So they definitely tend to eat things they shouldn't eat, and this can lead to them becoming very, very sick. So by participating in beach cleanups, reef cleanups, programs like the monofilament recycling program, demonstrated by the recycling bin located in the far left-hand side of the rail, or even simply picking up any discarded trash that we see, we can all help to save not just the manatees, but all of our planet's wildlife. So I want to issue a challenge today. After you leave SeaWorld, make sure every day you try to pick up at least 1 piece of trash. If everyone who visited SeaWorld did that, just think how much less trash would be in the environment, and how many fewer animals SeaWorld and other rescue programs you'd have to rescue each year. Now the chance to get this close to